Welcome to this tutorial on how to create an invitation using the Ellacard design editor. Ellacard's invitations are unique in that when a customer inputs their event details, the invite design will automatically update to show those details. We do this using our Smart Text system, which links the text on the invitation to the relevant event details. To add Smart Text to your invitation, the first step is to click the calendar icon on the top right and add placeholder event details. This is filler event information, including the event name, the event date and time, and the event location. The customer will replace this information with their own actual event details. When filling in event information, you can write in your own custom details, or we also provide quick select options that you can use to randomly add event details from a list of preset options. While it is good practice to fill in all of the event details, you only really need to fill in the event details that will be present on the invite design. For this example, that is the event name, the event date and time, and the event location. For other invitations, it might just be the event name, or nothing at all. Now it is time to start adding text to the invite and convert it into Smart Text. First, create a text box, and then right-click on it and select Link Text to Event. A Smart Text drop-down menu will open, giving you the ability to link your text to the event information. There are a few default options, as well as the ability to add a custom linking. Smart Text connects a text box to particular event details so that the customer can enter the event information once, and the text will automatically update with that new information. I will link this text box to the event name, which is a default option. Always make sure to make all Smart Text user editable so the customer can make changes as desired. Now your text has been converted into Smart Text, and anytime the event name is updated, so too is the text on the invite. You can now format the text to your liking. Otherwise, if you prefer, you can first add event text to your invite and format it, and then convert into Smart Text. When your text format is not available in our default Smart Text options, you will need to make a custom linking between the text and the event details. First, select Custom Format to open the Smart Text formatting prompt. Here you will see a text box with a list of available event variables you can link to below. In order to make a custom linking, you need to add the event variables that correspond to your invite text in the correct sequence. For this text, I first want to add the abbreviated weekday, a comma, the month, and the date with its ordinal. First, I find the variable for the abbreviated weekday and add it to the text box. All variables must be wrapped in curly braces. Then I add a comma and a space. You can add non-variable text and spaces to the text box as necessary. Next, I need to find and add the code for the month. And lastly, I need to add the date with its ordinal. As I input the Smart Text, I can see exactly what the output will look like just below the input box, so I can make sure I am correctly adding the variables. Now I need to add the event start and end time as a time range. I find the code for the time range, add an escape to a second line, and add the variable. Finally, I want to add the name of the location for the event. Again, I find the corresponding variable, add another escape to a third line, and add in the variable. Now that I am done, I select Update, and the Smart Text is now linked to the event details through my own custom linking. Repeat this step for all text that needs to be converted into Smart Text. There is no correct sequence of events when it comes to adding Smart Text to your invitation. You can first add all of your text and format it before linking it, or you can add and link text one at a time and format everything after. You can also make adjustments to text links or delinked text at any time. Now you are ready to start creating invitations with the Ellacard design editor.